If I had only 60 seconds to reach the whole world, all I would say is your future self is begging you to stop wasting time. Every excuse, every delay is stealing the life that you could have had. Just imagine looking back 1 year from now and wondering why didn't you start today? I've been there waiting for motivation, thinking I'll start when the time was right, but I learned something. The right time doesn't exist. You don't wait for motivation, you build discipline. So, the biggest mistake here is waiting until you feel ready. But remember, motivation is fleeting, but the action, no matter how small, will build momentum. And that's how change begins. So, here's what you do: just pick one habit and stick to it. And stop doing so many things at the same time. And don't aim for perfection, just aim to show up. Build trust with yourself, and the result will follow. I promise you that. And the last thing I want to say is that the pain of discipline is always better than the pain of regret. Goodbye.